Why is this motor moving so precisely? This is not a regular motor. This is a stepper motor. It moves step by step, not freely like a DC motor. To control it, we use an Arduino and a ULN2003 driver module. The wiring is simple. We connect 4 control pins from the driver to the Arduino. Then we upload the code to control the motor steps. First, the motor rotates clockwise, step by step. Then, it reverses direction, with the same precision. Each movement is controlled in steps. That's why stepper motors are perfect for precise applications. Start building your own projects today, and explore more with Arduino.